guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. In today's video, we will be reviewing the third palette out of the Hershey's Kisses Glamlite collection. So we've already done the white chocolate with almonds and the cookies and cream. So this time we're going to be digging into the special dark chocolate. This is the purple palette. So we've already done the blue one and the one with the like the neutrals and the golds. So now that it's the purple one's time, I thought I'd keep the trend going by wearing like a purple shirt, but this is like as purpley as we get. If you are not aware, we are giving 2 of these palettes away. There are 5 in the collection. 2 of them will be given away, so you will find out which 2 they are, or since we're here, you should know which 2 they are. In the next video, I will be showing you everything that's going to be in the giveaway, including these 2 palettes, the 2 lip shades, the Hershey's Kisses makeup sponge that we got out of the collection, and there's many more things. We have lashes, brushes, other palettes, all sorts of things. Each video had its own bonus entry for the giveaway, so if you missed those 2, I will make sure that I link them in the description box below for you, so you can go back and get entered in as many times as possible so that you guys can have the best chances at winning the giveaway. So again, make sure that you're subscribed with your bell notifications on so that you do not miss the next video where you get all of the giveaway information in one. So there's that, but let's move on to the palette. Off the top, okay, of course, packaging is cute. I love the color purple. I love the way that it's looking so far. The only thing that I really hate about these palettes is how you open it, because there's like this thing right here and it's like supposed to help, I guess, but it doesn't really help. It doesn't help at all. It's so hard. Like, why is it so hard for me to get these open? Okay, so they do open this way. So if you win the giveaway, that's how they open. I normally just have to like stick my finger in here and kind of yank it up. But these are the shades. Beautiful, beautiful purple. This one actually really matches my shirt, like this one. So cute. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I do believe that because of the shades we're working with, we're gonna do one eyeshadow look on both eyes. I know with the blue one, we gave you 2 looks, but again, we're gonna do one with this side because y'all know how I feel about colors like these. That's just like not a shade that I can really work with. So we're gonna use it to see how it does, but it's not one that I'm just gonna like leave on my eye. So let's go ahead and grab a brush. I actually think that that's gonna be the first shade we use, is this one right here. So the eyeshadow base I'm using currently is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow base in medium. I will link it in the description box below for you. It is my current fave. I feel like I've been telling you guys that in every video. I don't get any type of like money for telling you that. It's just, it literally is my favorite. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here. The brush that I'm using is a SS57 Miss Glam brush. And we're gonna use this purple shade as like a, well, lavender. We're gonna use it as like a transition shade for this look. So I'm just gonna take it and blend it all over my crease. I feel like purple eyeshadows, they just give you like that euphoria look. That's an idea. We're gonna do like a euphoria look. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna just go ahead and take that shade and put it all over the crease. Okay, so that shade is looking very pretty. You know what? I did say that we were gonna do both eyes, so I need to go ahead and do the other side. I was just so ready to move on just now because I'm so excited about our euphoria idea. I forgot to do this side as well. We do have a little bit of discoloration on our eyes just because I've been filming and we did another look before this, and it looks like I may have not gotten it all off, but hopefully that doesn't take away from the palette and how it's actually gonna perform, which I don't think it will because it's still looking like it should. This shade is very pigmented to be like a pastel color like this. It's very pigmented. Okay, so moving on, we are actually gonna take that same brush that we just used, the SS57 Miss Glam brush, and we're gonna go into this purple right here, and we are going to pack that on our outer corner. And the shade is gorgeous. It's such a pretty purple. Not seeing much fallout yet. I'm saying yet because all these palettes, they all have some fallout, but right now so far so good. And this shade is just very pretty. Now I am going to take this again and put it in the inner corner as well. So on this eye, it looks like some of that lavender is gone. So we're gonna go back into that lavender shade and put some of that back and then get a better blend on these 2 shades. I know you're like, where's she going with this? Just wait, let's just give it a chance. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, this is like the Doja Cat collection brush, and we are going to, I don't really like the shade at all, and I want to use it, but then I don't. So I think we're just gonna skip it for now. Maybe we'll use it as an under eye shade, but we're gonna go into this one right here. This one is actually like more of a bluish purple, just interesting. But we're gonna go ahead and blend that in right here on the outer corners and on the inner corner. That is very, very pretty. I think we made an amazing choice by skipping that shade that I did not like in the pan and moving forward with the one that looks bluish purple. So now I'm taking that second purple that we used, not the lavender, but the real purple. Just kind of blending these two shades together. So I'm gonna bring that purple, the darkest shade that we're using, I'm gonna bring it up a little to create like kind of a wing on this side. Okay, so that is looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, use that same shade on the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. We just kind of blend those two shades together. I'm really, really loving this purple shade. Well, the darkest purple shade that we're using. This shade is just like going on like a dream. And the way these two shades are blending together, it's just like perfect. It's beautiful. Okay, so one thing I will say about these shades though, the fallout is real. It's all over, it's everywhere, it's a mess. So I know you guys are thinking like, what is she doing with this look? Like, why does it look like that? So there's this cut crease that I want to try, but it kind of goes like, so that's why it looks like that. We're going to cut the crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and then we'll move on to those other shades, but so far so good except for the fallout. Okay, so I know it's looking weird. Give it a chance, girl. Give it a chance, guys. It'll get better. So we are gonna go into this shade right here now. So I'm gonna take this one first, and this is a Morphe brush. Doesn't actually say a number or anything. We're gonna go in with this one first, and we're gonna take it on this first part of the cut crease. Just gonna blend that up. Oh my goodness, this shade is gorgeous. This shade is gorgeous. This shadow is looking a mess right now, but y'all, I'm telling you, it's gonna be cute. Let's give it, I have faith. So now we're gonna move on to this shade right here. This is the same brush, I just flipped it over. So we're gonna go into this one right here. These shimmers, they are so creamy. Okay, so these shades actually literally look the exact same. Like the exact same. That's not cool. I don't really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Start with that. The first, I guess it really doesn't matter which one we start with, because they both look the same. I'm gonna go put it in first. And now we're gonna go back into the other one. Yeah, so like I'm not a huge fan of whenever palettes put like the same color in there twice. It's like, what was the reason? Because I literally can't tell these two shades apart at all. None. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the palette. We are gonna take this purple right here, and this is a FS6 Morphe brush. This is from the Nyan collaboration. And we're just going to start to blend right here. And then now I'm going back into that darkest shade. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Right now this look isn't really giving enough for me. It's really not. Like, the shades are fine, but like the look in itself, it's just like not giving enough. We're gonna add some rhinestones right here. But I think that we are going to add an inner corner highlight from a different palette. So I was thinking we would dive back into the Cookies and Cream palette and use one of the blues as an inner corner highlight, just to kind of make it different. Break up some of this purple because it is purple. So we're gonna go into this one right here. This one is so pretty, but you guys will see it when you go back and watch that video. So add that pop of color in the inner corner. The last thing we're gonna do with this look before I add inner corner highlight, well, before I add liner and lashes and everything, we're gonna go back into the palette with this dark, well, we'll use this one. We'll give this one a chance because we haven't used it so far. We're just gonna take this and put it as an under eye shade. So this shade is very dark, as I assumed it would be. And it actually almost looks blue, which is fine, but I knew I wasn't gonna like it that much, and I'm glad we did not actually use it as much. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look, add liner and lashes, and then we'll come back with the final thoughts. Alright you guys, so this is the final look with the rhinestones and everything added. I do think that that added like the final touch. Like we needed that because as I'm looking at the shades and like really looking at this look, the shades are just so flat. It's like they're not nearly as vibrant as I would like them to be. That's literally probably the only thing bad that I have to say about the palette. I do, oh well, and the ton of fallout, and the two shimmers were the same. I forgot. I'm like, here I'm like, oh no, this was one bad thing. No, there was, the shimmers are the exact same, tons of fallout, and like the shades just kind of fall flat for me. Like just looking at the palette, I thought they were gonna fall flat as well. Like they're just not the most vibrant colors. Like it's just very, very mauve, very just not vibrant at all. Let me go ahead and give you guys another bonus entry for the giveaway. If you're not aware, we are running a giveaway for 2 of these Hershey's Kisses palettes. If you've been watching the videos, you've been watching the series, you know which ones they are. If not, then go back and watch them. There are links in the description box below so that you can enter. I want you guys to be able to enter as many times as possible because I will enter all of your names into the giveaway and it will be chosen at random. So the more times you're entered, the more chances you have to win. I want everybody to have a fair chance. So make sure that you go back and watch those first 2 videos so that you can get entered into the giveaway. But your next giveaway entry will be to simply in the comment section below, let me know out of the 3 looks, which eye look was your favorite out of this Hershey's Kisses series, because as you guys know, I will not be reviewing the next 2. I will just simply be giving them away. So let me know out of the entire Hershey's Kisses series, which look was your fave. That is all that I have for you guys today. Make sure that you have your bell notifications on and that you're subscribed. Well, I guess it would be backwards. Make sure you're subscribed with your bell notifications on so that you do not miss that next video with the giveaway, where I will be giving you your final entry into the giveaway, as well as all the information like when the giveaway ends, when the winner will be announced, and everything that's in the giveaway. And it's a ton of stuff. You guys do not want to miss out on this giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed, bell notifications on. Let me know in the comment section below which look out of the 3 was your fave, and you guys will see my face in the next video.